Today we are going to learn how to make stress balls out of things that you might have at home. In order to make these, you will need cornstarch or flour, or sand actually, a balloon, a piece of paper, and tape. You can either use double-sided tape or just regular tape that you fold over into a little oval. First, you're going to take your piece of paper and roll it into a funnel, kind of like on a diagonal, and you're going to tape that together so that it forms a funnel that fits into the balloon. Then you can insert it into the balloon and very carefully, little spoonful by spoonful, I'd say, you can start filling the balloon with the cornstarch or the flour. I am going to warn you that this was very messy when I used a real funnel, so that is why I'm recommending the paper funnel. It was like shaping it into a cone, definitely made less of a mess than the fancy funnel that I had. So I recommend the cone. You also, before doing it, you might want to put the cone and the balloon in a container so that when you pour the cornstarch or the flour or the sand in case it does fall all over the place, if the balloon is in a container, then it will hopefully fall into the container and not everywhere like it did with me. So when I did it, that was the real funnel. It looked quite messy. After you do fill the balloon, there are two here, you just want to tie it in a knot, just like this, and that way the cornstarch will stay inside. Hello. So I hope you enjoyed our little tutorial about how to make a little stress ball. So when you're feeling stressed out, you can reach for that, just like I can. I have two. And give them a squeeze. So this one is actually the one that I made that day. And this one is one that I made because I couldn't find this one because I misplaced it. You can also use Orbeez inside of balloons, and that feels really cool too. Hopefully I can get some and then do another little mini tutorial on that as well. So hopefully squishing things like this will make you feel a little bit less stressed if that's how you're feeling. And I will see you tomorrow for Wellness Wednesday, when we're going to talk a little bit about sleep and if you're sleeping, and if so, how you're sleeping. See you then.